Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make lines visible in Google Sheets. So if your sheet looks like a blank white paper and you want the default gray lines back, go to the top menu and click View. Hover over to Show and then click Grid Lines to ensure there is a check mark next to it. So right now we don't have anything and now we have. If grid lines are already on but don't look dark enough, or if you only want lines around a specific table, highlight the cells you want to outline. So let's say this first one, select all borders to outline every cell, or choose outer border for just the edges. So borders icon right here. And now here, all borders, we have left border, outer borders. So let's say all borders like that. And now you can see we have it more black option here. We can also change the color, or I can move basically this one just like that. Now, if lines are still missing, so if you have turned on the grid lines, but they still aren't shown, check these two things. So fill color, you may have painted the cells white, highlight the area. So highlight the area and then go to click the fill color. So right here, we fill color and select here reset or transparent. So if I do that, reset, now you see we have here some border lines. So this is basically it for this video. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next